Welcome to the Charlotte Public Library virtual program on mindfulness. My name is Miss Nicole, and I will be guiding you through some relaxing breathing techniques and a meditation. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is being aware of what's inside of you, like your emotions, whether you're angry, happy, sad, if you have any anxiety, jitters. When you practice mindfulness, though, you are better able to handle these situations in a calm and healthier way. So let's begin. With this first practice, we are going to pretend we are hibernating bears in our bear den. So what I want you to do is find a comfortable spot where you can sit and relax. Or you could even lay down, whatever makes you feel calm and at peace. So pretend you're a bear, middle of winter, in your bear den. I want you to close your eyes and slowly, like a sleeping bear, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take a long, deep breath in and let it out all the way. Take another deep breath in. Let it out all the way. Feel that you are warm and comfortable in your bear den with your fellow bears. Take one really deep breath in and slowly let it out all the way. If you want to continue breathing in and out and pretending to be a bear, I will see you in the spring. Other than that, we will move on to our next meditation, which is a catch and release. And with this meditation, I would like you to lay flat but comfortably on your back. Find your position. And I would like you to close your eyes. And to begin, we are going to start at the feet. And I would like you to tense your feet right up. Every muscle in your feet, I would like you to tense it up. Tense it up and release. Let your muscles relax. Now we're going to move to your calf muscles and squeeze them for 2 seconds. 1, 2, and release your calf muscles. Let them relax. Now with the upper part of your legs, we're going to squeeze those, gently squeeze those for 2 seconds. Squeeze, squeeze. 1, 2, and relax. Now we're going to squeeze our butt muscles. We're going to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 1, 2, and relax. Now we're going to squeeze our stomach muscles and hold them in, and our arm muscles, like you're Superman. And squeeze, squeeze. 1, 2, and relax. Now we're going to squeeze our back muscles and our neck muscles. And we're going to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 1, 2, and relax. Now we're going to squeeze our face muscles. And we're going to squeeze, 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 and relax. Now I would like you to take a deep breath in and out, and focus on how relaxed your whole body feels. And you can continue to lay like this for a little bit if you'd like. And these are 2 great ways to practice mindfulness throughout the month. There are some other great ways to practice mindfulness. One is getting outdoors and taking a hike, a nature hike. And as you're hiking, look all around you, take in the snow, the trees, the sounds. If you hear any birds, focusing on that. Another great way to practice mindfulness is for young children or even teens, adults. Blow up a balloon and throw it into the air and slowly keep it off the floor by bouncing it in the air. Practice that in slow motions. Another great way to practice mindfulness, and this is kind of a challenge, is to do the dishes. And as you're washing the dishes, feel how the soap feels on your hands. And just doing this task is a form of meditation. So I challenge you to try that also. I would like to thank you for joining me today. Our next video will be on the first Tuesday of March. So don't forget to stop down to the library for a takeaway bag while supplies last. And there will be more relaxation tools and things you can make inside that bag. So we will see you next time.